Hello, lovely friends and family. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great by God's grace. So today, I'm coming your way with this beautiful, delicious dish. I tell you, this soup is so good. Okay, so this is what we call ebunu. So in Ghana, when we say something is bunu or ebunu, it means it's green. Okay, it's green. So ebunu simply means green. So you try and you use as much green ingredients as possible to get that effect. Okay, so let's get into it and let's see how this is done or made. So as usual, we go through our ingredients, and I have some tomatoes, some onions or one onion, and then some green chilies. Okay, and I also have some garlic, ginger, and some onions which I've blended. Okay, so here is my meat or protein. Okay, so I have fish, I have snails, I have crabs, I have some Akrantie, and I have some herrings. I have some Supaku also to make it really nice. Okay, yeah, and I also have, here is my Kontomire, okay, or my spinach or cocoyam leaves. Okay, so I'm putting it in a freezer bag, and I'm adding my green chilies. Okay, so this Kontomire that you can see here, I brought it from Ghana, and anytime I'm coming from Ghana, I buy the Kontomire fresh and I boil it and I freeze them and I bring it. So yeah, so I have my beef, okay, and I've added my blended onion, ginger, and garlic just to steam it. I'm adding my Supaku, okay, and my Akrantie right now because Akrantie is really dried and it needs to be rehydrated. Okay, so giving a bit of a stir. I'll add some salt and then I'm going to let it steam, right? I'll also add my tomatoes, my onion, and then I'll add my Kontomire that we've put in the freezer bag. Okay, so that it's a bit, it was softened, it had defrosted, but not all of it. It still needs to defrost in the middle. So yeah, so at this point everything has cooked or is boiled nicely, and I'm taking it out to blend. Okay, so I don't want to cook it so much because I'm going to be cooking it, I want the soup to be much fresher. Okay, and I'm taking my Kontomire out. Okay, so some people use spinach. Okay, they use spinach because they can't get their hands on Kontomire. So I've blended my tomatoes and my onions that I just took out. Okay, so I blended it and I've added it to my pot. I'll let it steam, and I'm adding my herrings, which are also dry and needs rehydrating, so I'm adding it now. So I'm going to blend my green chilies and then my Kontomire. Okay, so I've put it in my blender jug and I've added some water and I'll blend it. So once I blend it, I'll add it to the soup. So EbunuEbunu or Kontomire nkwan is very easy to make. It's basically you make light soup, then you add your Kontomire. So if there's any soup that is like blue and you have a blue vegetable, all that you need to do is make your light soup and blend the blue vegetables and add it, and to be blue soup. Shy. So you just get the concept. Okay, so just make light soup and you blend your Kontomire at the end. That is it. So right now, because the Kontomire is already cooked, all that I need is for this soup to boil over, to jump over, just then it's ready. So I've added my snails and my mackerel. So EbunuEbunu will not be complete without snails. Okay, EbunuEbunu, they say snails, they can so here the one, the support, and it also goes well with none other than menkeni fufu, because the Kontomire comes from the menkeni, and I'm adding my crabs last. Okay, because crabs, it doesn't take long. It's a fast, so you don't have to put it in early, otherwise you just kill everything. You won't kill everything, I think it's already dead, but it's just to make it nice and succulent. Okay, so that is our soup done. So I'm adding my okra, and just, me, I like fufu and okra. So kruma no did that, so now I put all the frank wine in money. Sometimes I eat it like that. So Charlie, and it makes everything so delicious. The soup was so good. It's just so good. Oh, right. So this is my fufu that I'm serving it with. Okay, my what kind of fufu? Cocoyam fufu. I'll bring you the recipe very soon. Okay, cocoyam fufu is very tricky to make if you're not pounding it. Okay, even when you pound it, you have to add a little bit of cassava to make it a succulent. Just to make it sour. Okay, so yeah, I'm going my fufu. So just me go me fufu no, so simply means I'm putting soup and meat on my fufu, and I have some more fresh green okra which I didn't add to my soup. I cooked that separately, okay, to make my EbunuEbunu pop a little bit, and it was so good. So I hope you give this recipe a try. It's so delicious and it's so easy to make. So any variation in your friends and your meals at home, it will be very good. Okay, so I want to say thank you all for coming again. God bless you, and please don't forget to like my video. Please share and subscribe if you haven't already. And I really appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the very next one. Bye.